I give. The reason I give is because it makes me feel good. It makes me feel good to know that I'm making a difference within our hospital, and I feel very lucky that I haven't needed the services of our hospital, but I know a lot of people who have. And so any opportunity to really support them and the future 1 million people that will need the service of our hospital, it's important to me. And I think it's everyone's responsibility to contribute in some way.
I give because we are so lucky to live in London, Ontario, where we have the finest healthcare facilities.
I give because I believe in the work the hospital does.
I give because I feel lucky to live in a community that supports this level of health care. You don't know when or where or how you're going to need this type of service, but when you do, you'll be grateful that it's in place and it exists in our community for us to benefit from.
I give because as a Canadian, I think we should be proud of our healthcare system, but it's also something that I feel we need to fight for and support ourselves.
I give because my family has been touched by the hospital and had to use it. My grandma had ovarian cancer, and my great aunt had her own health issues. But more so personally for myself, I had to have a PFO closure surgery as I was having strokes. And so for me, that's my reason, because it really did help to save my life and has infected and touched me in that way.
I give because I know I can help make a difference here at LHSC. When we have a lot of people giving every week off their pay, I know it adds up and makes a big difference to the healthcare that we're able to provide here at LHSC, and I feel good about being a part of that. I know we can make our great healthcare even better by giving, so that's why I give.
I give because I think it's important to support healthcare in our community. I think we're so fortunate in London to have a hospital like London Health Sciences that I think it's my responsibility to give back. I've also chosen to leave a planned gift to the hospital because I want my children and future generations to enjoy this great healthcare as well.